Hi, my name's Rachel and I'm an occupational therapist here at Associates in Pediatric Therapy, and I'm going to go over some tips and tricks for shoe tying with you. So just some basic pointers for shoe tying. Really, when you're starting shoe tying, you want to practice off body. So usually I use this trusty bear here, kind of a nice fun way to not do it on the shoe to start. And then usually I tell my parents that you really want to find a shoelace that is nice and flat, more so like the old style shoelaces that we had more so. A lot of the kids' shoes nowadays come with those rounded shoelaces and shoelaces that are just so much harder to tie. Another really good pointer for shoe tying, and that's why I use this bear a lot of the time, is having a lot of laces to work with. A lot of those shoelaces are so short on the shoes and they're so frustrating. Just some basic pointers too for the standard method of shoe tying, all the shoe tying methods that we do. When I have the kids make that bunny ear, just making sure that they don't have the bunny ear up here in the air. The bunny ear needs to be nice and tight to the shoe or to the surface that you're working with. So keeping everything nice and tight right there at the surface, and then wrapping around, keeping it tight. So that's the method that we all know. So same thing with the double bunny ear method that some people may use. Keeping that bunny ear nice and tight, close to the surface, making an X, going in through the hole. However, if those basic standard options are a struggle for your child, you can do a modified method that's a lot easier. So we're going to do the first step of shoe tying, which is making an X and going in through the hole. And then we're going to do that again, make an X, go in through the hole. So now we're going to keep this space in here a little bit loosey-goosey, so we can take our plastic in, which is nice to have the plastic end of the laces too, and go in through the hole that way, in this way, and then we can just pull those bunny ears tight. So this modified method is really, really easy for kids who are really struggling with shoe tying. And what I'll typically do is just build some success with this easier way. Once they've mastered this, then we can move towards the more traditional ways, which are a little bit sturdier. But this really is very tight and secure. And usually I'll talk to the kids about grabbing inside these bunny ears and just pulling them up nice and tight, tight, tight.